series. Alan Carr Chatting Man starts with David Hasselhoff, the In-Betweeners, and Colin Farrell tomorrow at 10 on 4.
Tomorrow night from 9 on 4, a fix for when we overindulge in the coming weeks. Hangovers ease with River Cottage Christmas Fair. But right now on 4.
Right, I've got a fairly simple, whoops, if I don't break the thing, padlock.
Your recipe for dinner party success.
Try and get my hands out of the way. Keys are still attached.
Food and be the perfect host.
Tension wrench in here.
Christmas table since 1853. Proud sponsors of Come Dine With Me.
We'll see how we go.
For celebrities, Merry Christmas. Each hosting a
See
Christmas
that?
extravaganza.
I like you.
Past the pick.
I couldn't drink this, but you paid me.
Season's greetings.
Mother Christmas is my name.
Festive food.
That sounds vile.
It's too rich for me. No, it's not.
And Christmas
There we go.
chaos. Praise Jesus.
They've run
Open.
away.
Before secret scoring sees one of them win £1,000 for charity.
Not up too
How about
much.
your Christmas?
Thank you.